Are you curious about the subtle signs of sexual attraction between a younger woman and an older man? In today's video, we're going to explore the nuanced indicators that reveal this unique dynamic. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to recognize these often overlooked cues. Ready to uncover the hidden language of attraction in this intriguing age gap scenario? 1. Body language cues. It's an intriguing aspect of human interaction, especially in the context of attraction between a younger woman and an older man. Body language can often communicate more than words, but what does it reveal in this scenario? Let's dive into this. Body language is a subtle yet powerful form of nonverbal communication. Take eye contact, for instance. When a younger woman often makes prolonged eye contact with an older man, it signifies interest and connection beyond mere words. It's a form of communication that's both intimate and revealing. However, it's crucial to interpret these cues correctly. Is it a fleeting glance or a gaze that indicates curiosity and attraction? Mirroring movements is another significant indicator. If she unconsciously imitates his actions, it's a sign of compatibility and unspoken understanding. But it's essential to note the difference between casual mimicry and genuine mirroring that comes from a place of attraction. Open body postures also play a key role. If she consistently faces him with a relaxed stance, it suggests comfort and a willingness to engage more deeply. However, it's important not to overread these signals. Open body language is a sign of comfort, but it must be seen in the larger context of their interactions. In understanding body language, subtlety is key. It offers a window into unspoken feelings and attractions. Recognizing these cues can lead to a deeper understanding of the dynamics between a younger woman and an older man, but they should be considered as part of a larger mosaic of interaction, not as standalone proofs of attraction. 2. Verbal and nonverbal communication. Let's jump into communication, a crucial element in any relationship dynamic, especially between a younger woman and an older man. Communication isn't just about what is said, it's also about how it's said. So why does this matter in understanding attraction? Let's explore this. The tone of voice plays a significant role in expressing interest. When a younger woman uses a softer, more playful tone with an older man, it can be a sign of flirtation and comfort. It's not just the words, but the way they're delivered that adds a layer of intimacy to their interactions. However, it's important to differentiate between casual conversation tones and those that hint at deeper affection. Laughter is another telling factor. Shared laughter over inside jokes or subtle teases can create a bond that goes beyond mere friendship. But remember, laughter can be friendly too. It's the context and frequency that hint at something more. Choice of words also matters. When she pays attention to topics he's interested in or uses words that show a deeper level of care and understanding, it indicates a special kind of attention. While verbal and nonverbal communication can hint at attraction, it's vital to view them in the broader context of their relationship. When combined with other signs, these subtle cues can reveal the layers of a developing connection between a younger woman and an older man. 3. Seeking proximity and opportunities to interact. Why does seeking closeness matter in understanding attraction? Let's take a closer look. Proximity is a subtle yet telling indicator of interest. When a younger woman consistently finds reasons to be near an older man, whether it's choosing a seat next to him or coincidentally showing up at places he frequents, it speaks volumes. It's not just about being physically close, it's about creating opportunities to interact and connect. Creating opportunities for interaction is also key. Whether it's initiating conversations, asking for his opinion, or sharing little details about her day, these are ways she shows interest in his life. It's the effort to engage him in dialogue and shared experiences that signifies a desire for deeper connection. Proximity and interaction are like subtle hints in the language of attraction. They are not direct declarations of interest, but rather small gestures that, when put together, can suggest a growing fondness. It's about reading between the lines and understanding the significance of these small yet meaningful actions in the broader context of their relationship. I hope you're finding this video insightful so far. If so, why not show a little love? A quick like, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button really goes a long way. Thank you. 4. Behavioral changes when around each other. Let's check out behavioral changes, a fascinating aspect when observing the dynamics between a younger woman and an older man. How do changes in behavior signify attraction? Let's explore this intriguing topic. Behavioral changes can be quite telling. When a younger woman or an older man alters their usual habits in the presence of the other, it often indicates a deeper level of interest. For instance, if he starts dressing more sharply, or she takes up interests that he's passionate about, it's a sign of trying to impress and connect on a deeper level. It's not just about changing, it's about adapting to appeal to the other person. Similarly, showcasing talents or qualities that they're proud of in each other's presence is another sign of mutual attraction. If she plays a musical instrument only when he's around, or if he shares stories of his travels during their conversations, it's a way of revealing personal facets to each other. It's about sharing parts of their identity to create a bond. Yet, remember, sometimes these actions can simply be a form of self-expression rather than a direct indication of romantic interest. While these adaptations can be indicators of attraction, they should be seen in the context of their overall interactions and relationship dynamics. It's the subtlety and sincerity behind these changes that truly reveal the nature of their connection. 5. The role of social media. Why is social media interaction important in understanding their attraction? Let's take a closer look. Social media can be a telling platform for expressing interest. When she frequently likes his posts, comments with thoughtful or playful remarks, or they engage in friendly banter online, it's a modern way of showing attention and interest. It's not just about the public interactions. Private messages and the frequency of their digital communication also play a significant role. Another aspect to consider is the content of their interactions. Are they sharing personal stories, inside jokes, or content that they both find amusing or interesting? This indicates a shared wavelength and mutual understanding. While likes, comments, and messages can suggest interest, they should be viewed in the context of their overall interaction, both online and offline. It's the pattern and depth of their social media engagement that can reveal the nuances of their connection. 6. Mutual friends' observations. How do friends' observations contribute to this understanding? Let's get into this. Friends often have an outsider's perspective that can be incredibly insightful. They might notice subtle changes in behavior, like how he lights up when she enters the room, or how she talks more animatedly when he's around. It's these observations from friends that can highlight a chemistry that might not be as apparent to the individuals involved. Friends might also comment on the energy between them, like how they seem more vibrant or happier in each other's company. These comments are often based on instinctive feelings rather than concrete evidence, yet they can be surprisingly accurate. While their perceptions can shed light on potential attraction, it's important to consider them alongside direct interactions and behaviors of the individuals involved. It's the combination of these different viewpoints that can paint a more comprehensive picture of their relationship. Now for our bonus tip, let's talk about jealousy, a subtle yet revealing emotion, particularly in the dynamics between a younger woman and an older man. Why is understanding jealousy important in recognizing attraction? Let's take a closer look. Jealousy, though often seen in a negative light, can be a telling sign of attraction. When the older man shows a hint of discomfort at her talking enthusiastically with someone else, or when the younger woman seems slightly bothered by his attention to another, it reveals an underlying layer of care and possessiveness. It's not about open jealousy, but those small reactions that suggest a deeper emotional investment. The key is subtlety. A passing glance that lingers a bit too long, a change in tone when discussing others, or a slight shift in body language are all nuanced indicators. These are not loud declarations of jealousy, but rather quiet admissions of interest and attachment. While a mild and respectful sense of jealousy can be indicative of attraction, it's important to ensure that it remains within healthy boundaries, contributing to a respectful and caring relationship. Now that you know how to spot those signs, what's next for you? Discover how to seduce women, or learn the physical traits younger women find irresistible. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.